Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be covering some of the news I found interesting I want to share with you guys. But before we start, I just want to let you know that the content presented in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice, investment advice, or any other type of professional guidance. You have to remember that cryptocurrency investments are highly speculative and carry significant risks. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Okay, so the creator is not responsible for any losses incurred or as a result of a reliance on the information provided in this video. I just have to say that before we start over. Okay, and now let's move into the news. I thought that it would be interesting to tell you guys some of the informations I found today. It's the 10th of January around AI agent tokens. Okay, it's a remarkable turn of events in the cryptocurrency market at the moment. Okay, AI agents tokens have taken center stage, outshining traditional giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum, with explosive gains over the past 24 hours. Okay, according to CryptoSlate, the latest top gainers list showcases impressive growth among leading AI tokens. Notable performers include ChainGPT, Freysa, Aixbt, by Virtuals, Swarms, and AI Rig Complex. Each of these tokens has recorded double-digit gains, with the lowest at an impressive 70%. AI agent tokens are revolutionizing the blockchain landscape. These digital assets empower self-running programs capable of executing complex operations in the crypto space. They leverage artificial intelligence to automate trades, manage investment portfolios, and interact seamlessly with decentralized finance platforms. This automation translates into a faster, more accurate trading strategies, offering users enhanced efficiency in their investment approaches. However, not everyone is convinced about the legitimacy of these tokens. Blockchain's analysis Zach XBT has voiced concerns, labeling many AI agents token projects as scams. He warns that these tokens will often disguise themselves as an innovative solution to mislead investors, contrasting sharply with meme coins that do not pretend to offer real value. As the crypto market continues to evolve, the rise of AI agent tokens raises both excitement and cautions among investors. Will they maintain their momentum or fall prey or to skepticism? Only time will tell. Okay, I highly encourage you to go and visit CryptoSlate for more details. I found this source very interesting to read it through. Secondly, I want to mention the article I found on the crypto briefing. Okay, the CGPT token skyrocketed by an impressive 90% after being listed for spot trading on Binance. This surge has propelled its market capitalization to $335 million, reflecting the growing interest in AI-driven projects within the crypto space. Since late November 2024, the AI agent sector has more than doubled its market value, now exceeding 14 billion. This rapid growth highlights the increasing attraction of AI agents and their potential to reshape the cryptocurrency market. ChainGPT, launched in April 2023, initially focused on the blockchain and Web3 solutions with a market cap nearly 8 billion. After a brief peak above 100 million in early 2024, the token faced challenges amid a broader market downturn. However, its recent integration of AI agents into its ecosystem has sparked renewed interest. Following the Binance listing, CGPT's market cap surged from $170 million to $335 million, with trading volumes reaching $362 million within just 24 hours. The token is currently trading at 41 cents, marking a 91% increase, but still 26% below its peak of 50 cents. Other tokens in this sector also saw substantial gains. AIXBT from Virtuals protocol rose by 35%, pushing its market cap to $500 million, while Cookie, the governance token for Cookie DAO, gained 47%. Leaders are optimistic about the future of AI agents. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang described them as a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity at a CES, emphasizing their potential to revolutionize business efficiencies. Meanwhile, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman indicated that AI agents may soon become a partner or a part of their workforce. Despite this optimist expert caution about potential risk. Okay, so guys, I just want to show you this one. I found it very interesting, so I highly encourage you to go into the crypto briefing and read it more about it. And finally, I want to cover, guys, the article I found regarding the Aixbt. In a stunning market shift, the AI agent cryptocurrency Aixbt has surged by 55% following a turbulent period for Bitcoin, which recently dropped to 91,000. Let's explore the factors driving this impressive rally, okay? And that's all been explained inside this article. So Aixbt, built on the Solana blockchain, has gained a significant traction in the crypto world due to its innovative approach and alignment with current AI trends. Despite facing a downturn alongside Bitcoin, Aixbt has managed to trigger a remarkable recovery. The recent Consumer Electronics Show CES 2025 played a pivotal role in its reigniting interest in AI agents. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's keynote address highlights the transformative potential of AI agents across various industries from healthcare to finance. His comments have sparked a renewed enthusiasm for AI technologies, pushing Aixbt into the spotlight. Following the Bitcoin crash, Aixbt price rebounded sharply, reaching a local high of approximately 59 cents within just 13 hours. However, after the surge, the token experienced a short-term correction of around 20%. Stabilizing around 53 cents. Technical analysis indicates that while there are signs of recovery, profit-taking and bearish sentiment still linger. Investors are advised to monitor key support levels at 47 cents and 51 cents. A bounce from these levels could propel Aixbt towards its previous height of 67 cents and potentially set the stage for an all-time high target of $1 before the end of January 25. The surge in Aixbt price reflects a broader trend towards AI agents in the cryptocurrency market. With increased interest in significant endorsements from industry leaders like Jensen Huang, the sector is poised for substantial growth as more investors recognize its potential. So guys, those three articles I found today, and I want to share with you guys. I highly encourage you to go and read them through yourself, okay? And once again, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing the information I found out there, thinking that those might be interest of some of you. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, just leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.